Welcome back to Design Bundle's YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to edit and create a custom canvas size in Procreate. So let's go ahead and get started. Your canvas size is the first and most important step that you can take when you start illustrating. So you want to start off with a custom canvas, or you can choose for one that is preset. But how do you create your own custom canvas? Now, don't worry if you guys already created this and you decide later on that you need to change things up. I'm going to show you guys how to edit it. All right, so very first thing that we're going to do is, let me show you how to get here. So when you get to the front screen of Procreate, you're going to see all of your artwork here, and up here at the top, you have the plus. So normally you can come down here and choose some pre-made ones, or you can choose this little box right here that has a plus on it. So you're just going to click on it like so, and it's going to bring you to the custom canvas area. From here, you can change your name. So that way you have this already preset for future use. So say, for example, this one here is going to be set for whenever I create my patterns. So I'm going to come up here and click on this here, double tap, and then I'm going to go ahead and delete everything and type out patterns. All right, so now that I have this named, the very next thing you're going to see here is this area. This is where you're going to change your width, your height, your DPI, as well as the maximum layers you can have. So let's go ahead and start with our width here. So if you click on this, from here, you're going to be able to change it from millimeters, centimeters, inches, and pixels. So let's just say there wasn't a pre-made 12 by 12. So I'm going to go ahead and type in 12 inches. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the height here and click 12 as well. So then I'm going to go ahead and hit done. From here, maybe I want to change my DPI to 300. So the max layers that I can do is 60. I'm going to go ahead and hit done. So at this point, all you're going to do is hit create. So here's our screen just like so. All right, so let's go ahead and design something. So I'm just going to quickly type something out. Now that I have something designed out, maybe I've decided that this canvas is too small. So I need to go in and edit. So what you're simply going to do is come over here to your wrench. You're going to click on it just like so. And then what we're going to click on is canvas. From here, we're going to go ahead and click on cropped and resize just like so. You can resize it by grabbing one of these corners here, 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 or here. So you can definitely go ahead and do that as well, or maybe we need to bring it out to be bigger like this. Now obviously if you pick one corner, you're going to be able to change the dimensions in all corners. So either one is just fine. As you are moving your corners, you're going to notice over here on the right side, you're going to notice that your width and height is changing, and you're going to notice up here at the top, your layers are also changing. So you can see all of those things right there. Once you are happy with it, all you simply got to do is hit done, and it's going to crop the canvas and change that for you. For our next option, we have the numerical crop. So to get to this, you're going to go back up here to the wrench. You're simply going to click on it, go back to canvas, and then cropped and resize. From here, we're going to go to settings this time, which is right here. Click on it, and as you can see here, this is where you're going to be able to change your width and height as well as your DPI. You're also going to get a couple other options here, so let me go ahead and explain what those can do. When it comes to resampling canvas, this keeps your artwork relevant to the current canvas size. If you make your canvas larger or smaller than what it currently is, your artwork will be resized with it. All right, next up we have snapping. Snapping is when using the freeform cropping method, your grid line will snap to the edge of your artwork, allowing for a closer and precise crop. Rotation, this will rotate your canvas and artwork while keeping the grid lines in place. Now, once you have everything set, you change your settings, you're just simply going to hit done, and it's going to resize your canvas for you. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to edit and create your own custom canvases right here inside of Procreate. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.